So welcome back students. So today I will discuss the third chapter of chemistry, that is your elements, compound and mixtures. So first of all, going to the main topic, so I will just discuss the something that is very basic. So at first we will discuss what is pure substance and mixtures, or you can say that the impure substance, and after that we will come the point that is element and compounds. See, pure substances like that which the substance which contains the particles of only one kind and has a definite set of properties is called the pure substances. Means we know the solution has been in two categories, we can classify it. One is homogeneous mixture and another is heterogeneous mixtures. So homogeneous mixtures means the particles are uniformly mixed with each other. On the other hand, in heterogeneous mixtures, the particles are not completely mixed each other. So these things we have already discussed in earlier classes. So we will not kept in here. That is the point. That is your homogeneous and your heterogeneous mixtures. But we will discuss the another thing, that is your pure substance and your mixtures, or you can say that the impure substance. So pure substance, the material which is contains the only one kind. What does it mean? It suppose we know the iron atom, we know the silver atom, oxygen, sulfur, many of the atoms, 118 elements we know. So that particular atom, if you see, only one kind of atom is present on that particular atom. Means whenever the material which contains the particle, that will be your one kind, and the whole atom having the similar properties is called the pure substance. Okay, so if a substance is composed of two or more different kind of particles combined together in fixed proportion by weight, then the substance is also regarded as pure substance. Means suppose that two or more different kind of particles combined together, means suppose that in case, or can say the formation of compound, here the two or more different component are being combined to each other. Means suppose example of water. In this particular example of water, if you see, the hydrogen and oxygen are mixed, or you can say that combined with each other in a definite set of proportions, or we can say that the definite weight. Or okay, means in case of water, the hydrogen and the oxygen ratio, it is very fixed, means 1:8 ratio. Okay, so that means the compound also can exist in pure substance, or you can say that the element also exist in pure substance, as well as your compound also exist in pure substance. Okay, now coming to the point, what are the basic characteristics of a pure substance? See, a pure substance is a homogeneous in nature. First of all, it not be heterogeneous. All the components are being mixed with each other uniformly. A pure substance has a definite set of properties, and these properties are different from the properties of other substance. The composition of a pure substance cannot be altered by any physical means. Okay, so these are the basic characteristics of a pure substance. Now the coming to the point, that is your classification of matter. So matter can be broadly classified into two categories. One is pure substance and another is mixtures. Pure substance also been classified two categories. One is element, another is compound. Mixtures also categorized in two, homogeneous and heterogeneous. And elements also classified in metal, non-metal, metalloids and noble gases. So basically all the elements and the pure and the compound are included in pure substance. So you can see these things, you can see this chart. So pure substance has been classified broadly two categories, one is element and another is compound. So here, so element and a compound also the part of pure substance. Now coming to the point, what is element? So earlier we have discussed these things. Element, so element is also pure substance which cannot be broken into two or more simpler substance by any kind of physical or chemical means, that is called element. So total, or we can say that the nowadays 118 elements have been discovered, and 82 are normal elements and 36 are radioactive elements. And if you can see that periodic table, most of the elements are in metallic state. Okay. Now coming to the point, the characteristics of element. So element we already have discussed from the definition part. So in case of element, so element is a pure substance. All the time it made up of only one kind of atom. So it cannot be broken into two or more simpler substance by any kind of physical and chemical method. Element also exist in metal, non-metal, metalloid and noble gas. Okay, so elements may occur in free state nature or found in a form of their compounds. So these are the